Okay, I got this all installed now. Everything, all the wires are run, all the low voltage to the control and to the sensors. Now it's time to set the limits. So basically the first thing you do is you got to push this square button and then hold the arrow button to close. I think I'm screwed up. Okay, now hit that, go down. You just gotta skip the step there. So when that down arrow is blinking, go ahead and push it, hold the button down so it closes to your desired height or set point. Just like that. Now you gotta push the square button. Best thing to do is have the door closed. Now it's going to go ahead and open up on its own. It finds its spot and stops. I think the top, the open limit's already set. Just like that. And now it's going to close again automatically. Then all that doing is setting the force adjustments. As soon as it gets to the closed position, and then that is it. Now the last thing you do, you go right over here to the wall button and go ahead and run a cycle. Door's gonna go up. Real. Stop. Go push the wall control again to close it. And now this time after it's closed, it should go ahead and be normal. Limits will be set, force adjustment set. And then we're gonna program a remote. I'll show you how to do that. Okay. So we'll close that door up. I've got a remote over here. Get that out of the box. Basically all you do here is you go back to your wall control, open that up, and it has a learn button right there. There's the learn button right there. And you just push that button until it starts blinking, and then you hold the button you want to, or on the remote you want to program. There. Whoop. Nice. Door's going up. Open. Now close it with the clicker. And that is all there is to it. There are some features on this deluxe wall control. There's a timer to close and there's a lock button. To lock it out, you just push the lock button until this light starts blinking. That means anybody that has a remote control cannot open it from the remote. They would have to come in here and physically push the button. And then on the minutes to door close, there's 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You push on, and you just roll through till it gets the desired 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, and then you go ahead and then that's it. That's the light will blink out, and then you can open it up. And after a minute or 5 minutes, in case you drive off and you forget that you closed it, it'll automatically close, and it will beep for 5 seconds before it closes, just to make sure nobody's around or underneath the door. At that point, it'll close, and if somebody does cross, the safety sensors will stop it and reverse it. So anyway, that's the long and short of it. Anyway, I appreciate you looking and checking out the video. Please like it and subscribe if you'd like. This is Old Guy DIY. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks.